Okay, we're going to take the same trip as our first. We're going to take the same route as our first trip to Irvine from Huntington Beach. But this time we're going to be using this new motor with a new motor and new batteries. It's a much faster bike, but I'll show you the same exact route. I'll get to hit the freeway entrance there, where the first time I got passed by with the note that I left, and I'll do the same thing, but this time I'll be on the lane, first lane, traveling as fast as the cars. Okay. You know what? The rest of the trip was exactly the same as my first ride, but only much faster when I'm alone on the bicycle trail. But now we get to the part where in the first video that I made was a little scary for me because the cars were passing me up too fast. So this time we'll try it again. Equal amount of traffic, but this time I got my bike beefed up. So we're gonna try to film this and see what it's like going through the same place where the freeway entrance is, and it should be a lot easier. No one's gonna pass me this time, and if they do, they're gonna pass by real slow. Okay, here we go. Same traffic, same idiots on the road as the last time. This time we're going to go through it and not be intimidated by the curb. Here we go. Not anymore, buddy. Not gonna happen again. This is where I helped the guy out. As you can see, no one passed me by. Fantastic. Slow as hell. They're passing me by too slow now. Like, they can't really threaten me too much. Well, I guess they lost their speed. How about that? Cars can now won't be able to intimidate me again. And here is where somebody was honking at me because I couldn't make my left turn fast enough on my left lane. Now, right here, somebody was honking at me